Good evening, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. Today in our online video class, we are going to start a new chapter, Algebra. Watch the video carefully till you understand very well without any distractions. Let's get started. At the end of this class, you will be able to understand arithmetic expressions, algebraic expressions, terms, variables, constants, coefficients of terms, value of an algebraic expression. Students, you know very well about all the fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here, the numbers are combined with some fundamental operations. This combination of numbers is called arithmetic, and the basic operations are called arithmetic operations. In arithmetic operations, we can easily find the answer such as adding 7 with 3. But what would you do if I ask you to find the answer to be added with 7 to get 10? What I mean is that what should be added with 7 to get 10? To find the answer, let us take the unknown value as x. By the question, x should be added with 7, that is, x plus 7 is equal to 10, which implies x is equal to 10 minus 7, which is equal to 3. In this way, the unknown value x becomes the known value. This expression is what we call as algebraic expression. Here in this expression, the unknown value x is known as variable, and the numbers like 7 and 10 are constants. That is, variable is nothing but the unknown values, and the constant is nothing but the number values. Hence, the definition of algebraic expression goes in this way. The combination of variables and constants with some basic mathematical operations is known as algebraic expressions. Here are some of the examples of algebraic expressions. The individual part of an algebraic expression is known as term. To understand better about this, now let us consider the algebraic expression 6x plus 7y minus 4z plus 8. Here, 6x is the term 1, 7y is the term 2, 4z is the term 3, 8 is the term 4. There are two types of terms. They are like terms, unlike terms. Like terms. Terms which are having the same variable are called like terms, and terms which are not having the same variable are called unlike terms. To understand better, consider this expression 4x plus 9y plus 7x. Here, 4x and 7x are like terms, 4x and 9y are unlike terms. Based on the number of terms, there are four types of expressions. They are monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. An expression with one term is called monomial. An expression with two terms is called binomial. An expression with three terms is called trinomial. And an expression with more than three terms is called polynomial. Any part of a term that is multiplied by the variable of the term is called the coefficient of the remaining terms. To understand better, consider the expression 4x plus 9y plus 7z plus 6mxy. Here, 4x, 9y, 7z and 6 mxy are terms. Coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y is 9, coefficient of z is 7, coefficient of xy is m. Here 4, 9, 7 are constant coefficients. M is the variable coefficient. Now let us move on to understand the value of algebraic expressions. Sometimes we would like to assign definite values to the variable in an expression to find the value of that expression. This situation arises many times in our real life. For example, in a class of 40 students, 10 students should be selected for a competition. 2 girls are interested in participating in the competition. Then how many boys should be selected? The total number of students to be selected is 10. If the number of boys is x and the number of girls is y, then the required algebraic expression is x plus y. If 2 girls are interested in participating in the competition, then the value of y is equal to 2. By using this value, we can find the number of boys to be selected, which is equal to 8. Hence, if x is equal to 8, y is equal to 2, then the value of the expression is x plus y is equal to 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10. Let us see exercise number 3.1. In question number 6, they are given the value of x and y, and they are asking us to find the value of the expressions. For finding the value of the expression 2x minus 3y, we have to use the values of x and y. By simplifying, we get the value of the expression 2x minus 3y as minus 5. Similarly, we can find the values of the other expressions with this same method. Okay students, watch the video carefully till you understand very well without any distractions. After watching the video, write down the question and answer which are given in the PDF below in your classwork notebook. With that, we have come to conclude this session. We'll meet in the next class. Till that, stay home, stay safe, take care.